Welcome to Mahila Samaja online class. Class 10 standard, subject English, poem, topic I am the land. The poet is Marina D. Bellangenta. So before going to the poet, let us know about the poet. Marina D. Bellangenta. She was born near Milan, Italy in 1949. She has a degree in poetry and recording media from Mills College and an MFA in visual arts from University of California at San Francisco. She was the founder of a feminist publishing house, Kelsey Street Press in Berkeley in 1997. Her poetry has appeared in anthologies and magazines in Canada, Italy, Britain, Australia, and the USA. So, Marina D. Bellangenta was born near Milan. It is in Italy. Italy is a very beautiful city of rivers. She has a degree. Already she has a degree in poetry and she has a recording media also from Mills College. They have honored her a recording media for the poet. So an MFA in visual arts means documentary films and all she does. From the university itself she has got the visual arts of California at San Diego. She was a founder of the feminist. Feminist means here the meaning is a theory that supports the rights of women. She has that rights and so she does the work. Publishing house Kelsey Street Press of Berkeley in 1997. Her poetry has appeared in anthologies. Anthologies means it is a collection of poems or other pieces of writing or music in this one. It may be poems or it may be writing or it may be music. So she has did this in magazines in places like Canada, Italy, Britain, Australia and the USA. Next, moving to the glossary. So the glossary, first one is I am the land. Here, I am the land is the speaker. The poem itself is speaks. It is the speaker. You can tell it is a voice of the poem also you can tell. Next one, own, O-W-N, own. Own means possess what you are having. Next one, stare. Stare means look at things fixedly for a long time. So staring is like that, looking at about 10 to 5 minutes staring, looking at the same thing is fixedly is called as staring. Next one, tickles. Tickles means plows. Here it is plowing the land like agriculture you can tell. Next, chokes. Chokes means suffocates means makes one breathless, don't know what to do. Like catching the throat makes one breathless, cannot talk. Next one, chain link necklace. Here, chain link necklace means fence, a compound you can tell around the garden, around the house, around the city, around the town, around the country also. How we put border, this is our country. So that is called as fence. Next one, Carlot eyes. Carlot eyes means extraordinary tools for perception as if the earth were staring with its lights of a car parked on it. So here, Carlot eyes means extraordinary tools of perception. Perception means it is having the ability to see, hear and become aware of that. So that is called as Carlot eyes. The earth is having Carlot eyes. Somewhere it is having eyes that it is looking at everything on this earth, staring at the things. This is the glossary. Next, moving to the poem, I am the land. This poem is written by Marina D. Bellangenta. This poem is about 18 lines. It is not a full lines also. It is like you can tell a phrase. You can tell these lines like a phrase, all short, small lines of poem. It is of 18 lines. I'll read the first 3 lines. It is given there 3, then 7 like that it is given. The first one I'll read you. I am the land, I wait. You say, you own me, I wait. So here the first 3 lines. Who is speaking? she. I means it is she, the mother earth. The mother earth, the land, the earth is speaking. The speaker is the land. The land is telling, I am the land. I wait. I am waiting here. But people on this earth are telling, this is my land, that is my land. They measure the land and they tell, it is mine, it is yours, like that. But I am here the owner. The real owner is the earth. It doesn't matter. But you say you own me. They tell, I have purchased it, I have bought it, and I am waiting for it. But then too, the earth doesn't speak anything. The land doesn't speak anything. The land is waiting with patience. The next fourth line, you shout, I lie patient. The people shout unnecessarily, this is my land, that is your land, here is my part, that is your part. But then too, the land is lying patiently. She is very, very patient. Who? The land. You buy me. They buy, they give lakhs together. They give lakhs together and they pay for the land and they buy the land. Then too, I am waiting. They don't ask me anything. I am waiting. They don't give me a pie. They don't talk to me. Who's telling? The land is telling. But the people, I bought it for this much lakhs, that much lakhs, they talk. Next line, with muddy holes and Carlot eyes I stare. They make holes means buildings. They such a lot of buildings. That too, how many stairs? 5 stairs, 6 stairs, 10 stairs. Then put a lift like that and all. They do the buildings. Muddy holes. They make under the earth holes. And means there is some other things like mining, like building something. They do so many of things. Carlot eyes I stare. I'm having eyes. Nobody knows where is that eyes. It is Carlot eyes. I'm looking at everything. I'm staring at all the people, but they don't know how I am. The next line, then someone tickles me, plants life, fruit. Someone tickles means they just, what is that? Here, plowing. Tickles means plowing me. For agriculture, for plants, they need to live a life. It gives fruits, it gives grass, it gives trees. From the trees we get shade, from the trees we do furniture. So many things we are earning from the earth. The land is giving us, but we are not respecting the land. We are not having certain feeling for that. Children dance on this earth. So many stadiums are there. So many other things are there. Industries are there. If going on in the life, so many things we can see on this earth. Someone sings. I told you there is auditorium. There is background of so many film industries. Industries are there. It may be a workshop. It may be anything else. Next. Then you come with guns. Then last they do, you come with guns. A chain link necklace chokes me now. So what they do? They come with guns, fighting. Next, war between country to country, town to town, village to village, people fight. Where? On this earth. And it becomes pollution. And after that fighting, they put a fence. A chain link necklace means putting a fence around the town, around the village, around the country. Go. Chokes me now. It is like something catching my neck. Chokes me, like as though my life is going. They put a fence. Next. I wait. Then too I don't talk anything. So many things they do with me. Then too I am very, very patiently waiting. You cannot put your fence. Now the land is telling, you cannot put a fence. Temporary. What you're putting is a temporary fence around the planet Earth. You cannot put around the, here on this land you can put. You cannot come to the space, to the earth and put a fence there. You cannot put a fence there. It is natural. It is God created. The earth is telling. So I am the land, I am waiting. Because it is a land, I wait, I have patience. So here, this is about the poem. I'll give you the summary. the summary of the poem. Once again, I'll explain to you the summary of the poem. So the earth is telling the human beings that they think that they own her. Own her means possess. They have bought her, purchased her. But she is land, and so she waits patiently. People shout and proclaim that the land is theirs. But they buy land, drill holes in it, and drive over her, but still she waits patiently. Then someone plows the land, plants seeds, and she gives fruit, grass, trees, etc. for the people to live happily on this earth. This results in people becoming joy, and they sing and dance. Sometimes people come and try to fence her and create boundaries, which tries to choke her, kills her. She feels for that. Who? The land. But the earth asserts that she is the land and no one can put a fence around the planet Earth. She waits patiently for people to realize. This is about the poem, the summary of the poem. So after this, you have the question answers. 2 questions I have given. The first question, who do you think is the speaker of the poem? The second question, I wait in the line suggests the feeling of. Options you have A, annoyance, B, patience, C, disgust. This is about the question, children. Thank you. I think you have understood the lesson, the poem.